Hello, welcome to Punky Flute. Today we are going to learn how to play off beat. I personally love playing off beats because as soon as you are not on the beat, everything just suddenly becomes brighter. In my opinion, it's really happy and it's very uplifting because you're going to be thinking ja 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 ja. You know, I think it's like the instant happiness. So I'm going to give you an example of playing on the beat and off the beat, and you can tell me which one you like better. In my opinion, playing offbeat is like the happiest, instant happiness of the solos or phrases. So I would love for you to try it today and see how you feel. If you think about it, the guitars go like this: z-ja, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So if you think about this uplifting movement, z-ja, 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 that's where we're going to be thinking about. Today we're going to just practice on one note at a time, starting on a B. We're going to imitate this guitar movement. Down, up, down, up, down, up. We're going to go like this. That's going to be our first exercise. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. So now let's try and do it in the 12-bar blues. You might be thinking, oh, hang on, I don't know how to play that. But don't worry. We are going to just do one note at a time. We're going to go B for 4 bars, C for 2 bars, B note for another 2 bars, D, C, and then B again. Let's go together. 1, 2, 3. Next step, let's do long notes. Let's do offbeat short note followed by long note. Ba 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 ba. We would do the same notes that we've just done off beats, but one short note and one long note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! I think this is like half the battle won on improvising off beat. Because if you could do this rhythm, all these phrases are going to be super happy. What do you think? It's really happy. I would love for you to try it at home. I hope you enjoyed today's exercise. If you would like to do more offbeat practices, I have another tutorial video where you can practice offbeat in different time signature and also with metronome. So that would be a great way to practice too. I also have a new book called Easy Flute Improvisation. So please check that out too. I hope you have a great day. See you next time. Bye!